Legalization of marijuana, Why It Should Not Happen, by Sunny Bingham. What is marijuana? Marijuana is a greenish-gray mixture of the dried flowers of cannabis. Marijuana is used for an individual to get high. Cannabis can also be made into cannabis oils, cannabis vapes, and edibles. Effects of marijuana: red eyes, dizziness, which can cause injury, shallow breathing, dry mouth, which causes thirst, slow reaction time, which can cause accidents, distorted sense of time, anxiety, which can cause panic attacks or mood swings, depression, which can be mood swings, and short-term forgetfulness. The picture, as seen in the PowerPoint, is that of a person who is under the influence of marijuana. Effects marijuana can have on your body: severe brain damage and development damage, trouble thinking clearly due to the development damage, trouble organizing thoughts, respiratory problems, lung infections. These are also experienced by tobacco smokers. This can cause an increased daily cough and chest illnesses like bronchitis, greater risk of lung cancer, and your heart rate can rise up to unhealthy levels. Effects of marijuana: accidents, which can cause death and injury to other people, including the person under the influence of marijuana, memory loss, death, which can be caused by the accidents, and marijuana is also a gateway drug, which can lead to harder drugs such as cocaine, heroin, methamphetamines, etc. There's too many to name. Why it should not be legalized: more people will be able to use it recreationally. When more people use it recreationally, this means that more people can be on the streets, high, under the influence, which will make it easier for people to sell and distribute the drug. Younger teens will be able to get their hands on it earlier, which can cause brain development and brain damage, which can lead to slowing their education and restricting them from getting the education they need to succeed. This can cause them to get into even harder drugs because they will need to use different measures and different lengths to get a living, to make a living, to be able to survive. Could lead to more impaired driving accidents because of the dizziness and the forgetfulness and forgetting where you are can cause accidents and injure other drivers. When kids use at a younger age, they are unable to comprehend what may happen after they use the drug. When kids use at a young age, they typically do not think of the effects it may have on other people. When they are under the influence and drive, they may have a wreck, killing members of people's families and people who will not be able to be replaced, and they don't understand what may happen after they use.